LMTools by Flexera can be used to monitor what license is used for specific features in NX. Select Start in Windows and type LM to find LMTools and click to launch it. Display the Config Services tab and click View Log to display the log file in a window. I'll note where the log file is stored, close the log file, and LMTools, then navigate to the log file and open it with Notepad. Scroll to the bottom to see where a license is checked out or in. Currently, the solid modeling license has been checked out. Going back to NX, I'll select the swept command. Leaving this dialog open, I'll display the log file in Notepad and again scroll to the bottom where you can see NX Freeform 1 has been checked out. This is the Freeform Modeling Basic license. In NX, I'll cancel the swept dialog. Returning to the log file, notice that NX Freeform 1 has been checked in. In NX, I'll now select the Studio Surface command. Leaving this dialog open, I'll again display the log file. Notice that Studio Freeform has been checked out. This is the Freeform Shape license. Finally, I'll select the Law Extension command. Notice that Studio Freeform has been checked in and NX Freeform 2 has been checked out. This is the Freeform Modeling Advanced license.